Hey guys, what's going on? It's Alex from Surfe, and today I'm here to tell you about a brand new feature that we rolled out in Surf just last week. It is called Job Changes, and already we are seeing some amazing results. Let me show you how it all works. First, open up Surf and head on over to the People tab. You will now see in the left-hand side search bar a brand new filter called Job Changes. This lets you search specifically for prospects who have recently changed jobs, anywhere in the last 30, 60, or 90 days, or even up to 9 months. And you can search by previous companies. So let's give this a go. First things first, let's search by seniority. We're looking for directors, heads, and VPs. We're going to say for this example that they're working specifically in accounting and finance, so you select that. Let's say they're based geographically in the United States and that they changed jobs in the last 60 days. Click Run Search and look at that. Surf instantly generates a highly targeted list of leads that fit your exact brief. You can see here that we have 16 results displayed. And if you hover your cursor over the Job Changes icon, it even displays a little summary of their new role at their company. And if you want a more detailed breakdown of this, you just have to click on their profile. Let's do this for this person here. You can see exactly where they worked, not just in their previous role, but all of their roles before that. And if that wasn't enough, Surf have actually added the Job Changes tag to be visible on all searches, which means you can quickly and easily identify if a prospect you're looking to outreach has recently changed jobs. Now let's take a moment, shall we, to talk about job changes specifically and why this is such a powerful metric within the context of B2B sales. First things first, a fresh role often indicates a fresh appetite for change. A job change is hands down one of the strongest buying signals that there are. Think about it. When an exec, especially a senior exec, moves into a new role or a new company, they'll have ideas and strategies of their own that they want to implement. That might mean a new software, a new product, new processes, and that often means that budget will be assigned to help them do this, which for you as a seller means it can be an excellent opportunity to reach out. A second reason would be tailored outreach. If an executive or a prospect has recently changed jobs, this is an excellent time for you as a seller to get in front of them, to say congratulations, good luck in the new role. You don't have to position yourself or your product or what you sell in this conversation, but it's a great opportunity to send a LinkedIn DM, an email, whatever it looks like, just get yourself in front of them. Another reason that Job Changes is such a powerful addition to the Surf tool is that this gives you the opportunity to look at all previous companies and uncover some new target accounts. Think about it. If one of your prospects has just moved to a new role at a new company, but they've stayed within the same sector or industry, the company that they've just left, in all likelihood, is going to have the same pain points and the same needs that your product or solution may well solve. So build up a new targeted list of accounts that you may not have even tapped into just by using this new tool. And finally, a fourth reason why Job Changes is such a compelling metric is that by layering Job Changes on top of the existing search filters in Surf, things like region, seniority, the department that they work in, you'll get a curated list of highly targeted, highly specific, and high quality leads that are ready to convert. So that's Job Changes, and it's live right now in Surf. So if you want to prospect busy senior execs that have just changed jobs when they have the highest propensity to buy at any stage, then go check it out in Surf right now. There's a link in the description on this video. And whilst you're here, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Surf HQ. And if you're interested, we just released the second episode to our brand new podcast called Sales Rewritten, where we interview and profile some of the sharpest leading figures in the world of sales. So do check that out. Episode 2 just dropped with an ex-LinkedIn senior exec. Check it out and do subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.